Okay, so this is an O-level A-Maths question, paper 1, 2016, question 11. It says here that we have to prove that secant theta minus tangent theta bracket square equals to 1 minus sine theta equals over 1 plus sine theta. So for such proving of identities, usually what I would do is I would go with the one where there's some expansion involved. So I'm going to start with the left hand side here. So the left hand side, secant theta minus tangent theta bracket square. Now secant theta I can change it to 1 over cosine theta, and tangent theta I can change it to sine theta over cosine theta. So that's what I'm going to do. 1 over cosine theta minus sine theta over cosine theta. Now don't forget the square outside. This gives us two fractions with both denominators being cosine theta. We can combine these two fractions into a single fraction. We will get 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, so we're going to apply the square to both the numerator and the denominator. We will end up with 1 minus sine theta square over cosine square theta. And cosine square theta, we should know, is actually 1 minus sine square theta. So we can write this as 1 minus sine theta bracket square over 1 minus sine square theta. And this is where we can factorize the denominator in the format of a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So you get 1 minus sine theta square over 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. And you notice that because you have a 1 minus sine theta square on top, you can actually cancel out this 1 minus sine theta, cancel out the square, and you will end up with what is needed on the right hand side, which is 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. That's your final answer.